Hi friends, I'm Ryan, and today I'm on a bench with my friends Ashley and Ashley. They're gonna help me show something really important. So you guys wanna come on?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Hey, look at that.
That's right. We set this up in a giant A for Ashley. And Ashley.
And look, all of the balloons have words on them.
Look at all of those words. Smart, kind, funny. Hey, all of those words could apply to you, Ashley.
Oh, and honest, hardworking, studious, those are all words that apply to you.
That's why the A is for both of you.
These are all the kinds of things that people have said to us before.
It would be great if we could all walk around carrying all of the kind words that people say about us.
But that's not always what happens, is it? Some of the things that people say are kind, but some of the words that we use with each other are sharp.
Sometimes it's saying unkind things like, you're dumb.
But more often, it's the way we talk to each other and how we treat each other that gets our balloon popped.
Like, let's say I had a cool idea and I brought it to Ryan, like, hey Ryan, I have an idea about something cool.
Really? Well, you should have brought that idea to me way sooner.
Well,
Anyway, the idea that I have is better. Was I treating Ashley with kindness there? No.
And that happens a lot, especially when you're talking to someone who's different from you.
When you think you're better than someone else or have better ideas or whatever it is, it's easy to forget that the other person is a person just like you.
So how do we make it right?
Well, you can start by apologizing, right? You can say, I'm sorry, Ashley, that I said unkind things and that I talked over you. That wasn't very kind.
But sometimes that's not enough. Do you see the problem?
The balloons are still popped. Apologizing didn't fix that.
Justice isn't just about apologizing. It's about looking at something that's wrong and making it right. So how do you think we can do that here?
Well, why don't we put more balloons up to replace the ones that were popped?
That sounds like a great idea.
There! Now the balloons that were popped have been restored. The kind words that I lost when I was treated unkindly have been restored too.
It doesn't change the fact that something wrong happened, but it's a step towards making things right.
So friends, until I see you next time, remember to act with kindness, restore the things that have gone wrong, and be fantastic.